Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates once again need to be done, unfortunately, in the bearish direction. So first I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, it's just not relevant to the chart, and from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that $3 mark wasn't a very important level of support. But as you can see this morning with the price gapping down below it, there was a bounce, and surprise, that bounce ran out of momentum right around the $3 mark. Now, I'm not saying that $3 can never ever be broken. I'm just saying that if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, that $3 mark is going to be that first key roadblock that'll need to be broken. And if the price can break above there, then from more of the overarching standpoint, watch that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. But right now, before anything else, like I said, the price needs to first prove itself in the near term, and that quote-unquote prove itself point is right at $3 and getting up above it. As far as levels of support are concerned, next level, which I've talked about in past videos, is somewhat within striking distance now, down around $2.65. So keep an eye on that. And $2.65, very important, because if the price cannot hold above there, then that's all of a sudden putting the price at lows that have not been seen since basically back at the very start of June, which would have brought it down quite a bit from these highs. Not saying $2.65 is going to be violated, but that is going to be a very important area for that reason. But it also is an area from a trading standpoint where no such thing as a guarantee, but I don't think anybody would be shocked if there was some sort of bounce off it. So we'll keep an eye on it. But overall, yeah, the bearishness continues. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.